what's in the wash bag. Let's open it up, guys. I'm too excited. Team Pink. It's already making me excited. Look at that. Ooh. So we got beauty blenders. Ooh. Look at all of this stuff that comes in this bag, guys. This is amazing. Look at these cute little ones. Look at that. This is these are cleaning sponges. These are the ones that you dab. Ooh. Another a cleaning tool to clean your brushes. Cleaning tool for your brushes. And then here's the good part. Look at this bag. Inside this bag, you get a whole set of brushes, of makeup brushes. Look at that. A whole set of them. Wow. How many brushes is it? We gonna count. You get 30 brushes. 30 brushes. 30? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This all comes in this cute little wash bag. You could travel with this. So all of this fits in this bag. What? Are you serious? And I'm not struggling to put in this bag, nothing back in this bag. I'm not struggling at all to put this stuff back. And last but not least, the beauty blenders. And we're gonna zip it all the way up. Comfy. Travel size. Go get it.